so I hope you had fun choosing your character. I've chosen to work with this whiteboard cartoon hand-drawn type character. And what we want to do in this video is use Photoshop to turn this character into an animated GIF so that we can have the mouth sequence run in a loop so that it gives the illusion of talking. Okay, so to do that we first need to view the timeline. So let's go to Window and select Timeline. And you can now see that at the bottom of the screen we have this timeline area, and this is where we can create the animated GIF. And we basically do that by showing and hiding different layers in each frame of the animation. So we'll start off with the neutral face that we have here, and let's just click on this small icon here and make a duplicate frame. Okay, so that's copied the setup that we have here, the layer setup. But what we want to do now is turn this mouth into a different shape. So let me click on the mouth folder. You can see that the third one is selected. I'll hide that, and let me select this smiley type mouth. Okay, so that's quite easy, and what we do then is duplicate this slide again, and let's switch off the smiley type mouth and make a more round vowel shaped mouth. And again we duplicate, and let's switch this off and possibly go back to a smile. Okay, so we also want to have some blinking movements as we go through the animation, so let's duplicate this again and let's go to the eyes, and let's first hide the layer that's there and select this sort of cute sort of curved eye. Could be a wink, and we'll do the same for this eye. So that's a blink, so let's duplicate that again. Okay, so we have a small sequence here, and let's play and see what happens. So you can see that's looking good, but the blinking is a bit too frequent. Nobody really blinks that frequently. So let's stop that, and let's select the first 4 frames and duplicate those and move them to the very end of the sequence. So let's play again and see what happens. So you can see now that the blinking is less frequent. So you can repeat this process and make it as long as you wish, but always make sure that you've selected that the loop happens infinitely so that it goes on forever. Okay, so let's now save for web. File, save for web. Be sure to select GIF. You'll see that once GIF is selected, you see that the animation here shows that it's going to loop forever, which is fine. So just click Save and select a destination, and let's call that female talking. So let's save, and what we also need to do is save a single frame, because later on when we go to sequence the mouth movements with our own voice, we'll need to have pauses, and we'll use the single neutral frame for this. So I call that a pause frame. So let's delete all of these, and let's just save the single frame for the web, and let's call that female pause. Okay, so they're the only 2 images we need to animate a talking character in PowerPoint, and let's move on and do that.